What do companies need to focus on as they build out their mobile app security strategies? This presentation reviews the top 10 considerations. Bring your own device programs are popular among users, but they represent increased security risks to the enterprise. Lost or stolen devices, malware attacks, sensitive data stored in the consumer cloud, misuse of corporate files. Can mobility and security coexist in harmony? They can, with a new strategy called containerization, where you secure your apps, not just your devices. Containerization lets organizations protect their apps and data on any device, whether corporate-owned or personally owned. What factors do you need to consider when securing enterprise mobile apps? Introducing the top 10 considerations. It's critical to separate enterprise apps from other apps, regardless of the device. Containerized business apps can coexist alongside personal apps on the mobile device, but each containerized business app's data stays in its own container, and any connection to another containerized app or a corporate server is secured. It's not enough to secure mobile apps. The user experience must be preserved as well. Otherwise, users will undermine security through workarounds, and the enterprise will not gain the benefits of mobilizing its worker base. Containerization preserves the user experience on personalized apps that neither MDM nor virtualization does. When considering ISV apps, the security certification for these apps must meet industry standards, not just a checkbox. So, the apps should be pen-tested by an independent third party. Data should be protected with government-grade encryption, and data sent between apps and between apps and the corporate intranet should always be encrypted. Custom-built apps should use a common mobile app security platform, the same one that is being used by ISVs who are building enterprise-ready apps. Containerizing these apps should be simple. You can use app wrapping, which takes advantage of platform-provided security functionality, or code integration, where developers use a software development kit to incorporate more advanced capabilities. Data from the corporate network that's sent to and from containerized apps should be via a persistent outbound encrypted connection. This way, enterprise data is always protected, on the way to the app and in the app, because it's containerized. Plus, no inbound firewall holes will be required, helping to avoid a change management nightmare. You also will want one place from which to manage all app containers and policies. That includes the default out-of-the-box policies, as well as any custom app-specific policies. An enterprise app store is a good option for distributing apps to any device because it allows for the distribution of apps curated from a public app store, along with an enterprise's secured apps, while providing a good consumer experience and giving IT the necessary controls. Containerized mobile apps must be able to send encrypted information to other containerized mobile apps. The mobile app security platform must provide IT with the ability to control data sharing capabilities between containerized apps through a secured path, so data never leaves a secured state. Single sign-on for the containerized apps is a must. With a one-time login, users can access all containerized apps on the device and also enterprise resources behind the corporate firewall, while ensuring that business data is always protected. To prevent your organizations from being locked into any app development platform, make sure to choose a mobile app security platform that provides the same containerization protection for both native and hybrid app development. Taking these 10 considerations into account is the best way to ensure a mobile app security experience that keeps corporate data secure and prevents data loss, while still preserving the user experience. To learn more, please download Good Technology's white paper.